Hi everyone, it's John again. Just done a video on one of the Scalextrics I got for free. This is another one, and the box is all open, bit of a state, Starsky Hutch, but this is not an original from the 70s. This is by Marks and Spencer, and it was done in 2004. It looks pretty funky, pretty cool. Got the original David Soul, and I forgot his name already. Oh, it's just gone blank. Someone will mention it. Right, here we go. So on this side, box looks like it's faded. Right, let's have a look in here, see what there is. Well, the track looks to be in pretty good nick. A few cool bits there that are in good nick. The destructions. Crossover there, which is pretty good nick. And we've got some ramps. I've got some ramps like this for my one of my sets, and I race my Dukes of Hazzard car over it. My Dukes of Hazzard car actually runs on the digital track. So got some of these corners. This is actually done. This is actually done by Scalextrics. Marks and Spencers have obviously sold it. Oh, it's got the price on it, £79. That's quite good, really. I don't know if that's the original price, but 79 quid's cheap. This Starsky and Hutch set is fully compatible with all existing Scalextrics products. That's pretty cool. Oh, well, I haven't seen any cars yet, so a few more instructions. These are all normal Scalextric bits. Oh, and look, this is the other end of that. It should be like that. One of the sport ones. There's a controller. All this seems to be in pretty good condition. Oh, it's not looking too good. I haven't seen any cars yet. Just when I wanted to have a look at the Corvette that's included. Is it Corvette? Yes, it is. Stingray. Oh no, there's no cars. It's a bit of a bugger. But these are still expensive to buy, so these things, oh, got loads of these in a tub somewhere. It's a transformer, and the book and all the sets they do at the time. A few of the cars, Rally Roads and all that. Formula 1. Yeah. Well, that's a bit disappointing. And there's the other controller. But all the parts are here, except from, I don't know what type of track this one is. Well, it's just a base one, so there's no ramps apart from these two, and there's the actual bridge things to raise it up. So there's none of that. So I do actually own a Starsky and Hutch car, Scalextrics car on its own. It all works. The lights work on it. the little red light works, but one of the back lights is just missing come out a bit. So I've got that somewhere in my collection, but I do not have this Corvette, and it looks really cool. So I will try my Gran Torino on there. So yeah, bit of a shame there's no cars, but you know, not like I paid for it. So cheers for watching this video, and I'm going to go off and look for some of these being actually used on YouTube. So see ya.